Alright, what's going on, boys? We got a market recap today for Friday, May 30th. I'm going to keep this one short and simple because me personally, I didn't take any trades this morning. If we just zoom out to the 15-minute chart, we went nowhere overnight or pre-market or even during the market open. For me personally, I was honestly loose bias today. Either I was willing to be bullish off of this daily imbalance if we had gotten a market structure shift up here above this swing high and then got something like pulled back to a bullish imbalance here. I could have been bullish right there. I also could have potentially been bullish to this internal buy side liquidity, which would have been the middle time frame market structure shift for that confirmation of a move higher. But even if we go down here into like the 5-minute chart, like the market open, we really went nowhere. And then at this point in time, it's already past 11:30. Then I'm off the charts, and now we've just kind of dumped here. So we never even got a bullish move to this internal high, which would have been a lower probability trade, but could have been potentially swayed into taking a long there just simply to this high, but didn't ever get anything for that. And then so yeah, pretty simple. I was also willing to go short if we had started to displace lower, because if we start to continue lower, then this would be the next high time frame draw on liquidity. If we go to the daily time frame, this is the daily swing low within this daily imbalance, and then we also have this gap down here from 2 weeks ago. That might be more of a target for next week because it looks like we're running through this daily imbalance, this daily bullish for value gap, which didn't happen until like just now. So personally, it was the same thing on ES as well. So personally, no valid trades for me today. And definitely want to, after having a good week, especially on Fridays, man, like on Fridays, if you've had a good week and you're up like a decent amount on the week, heading into a Friday, you want to make sure that that Friday setup, if you do take a trade, is extremely high probability, and you're extremely confident in it, because there's just no reason to be risking capital on the last day of the week if the trade, if the bias, if the chart isn't just extremely clear and if there's nothing jumping out to you. And when I logged on this morning and I just see this chop work without any sense of direction, as soon as I hop on the charts, I'm like, yeah, I'm probably not taking a trade today, because just look, like there's nothing here. And so if there's nothing there, there's no reason to force anything, like I said, especially on a Friday after being up on the week. So no valid trades for me today, and that's the market recap. I'm going to keep this one short and simple. I didn't really see anything to execute off of within this range here. I guess let me know if y'all took a trade or not, but for me personally, days like today are just as important as winning trades and winning days. Protecting your capital is probably the most crucial thing when it comes to trading. It's actually protecting the capital that we worked so hard to create throughout the earlier parts in the week. And so there was no reason to put any risk on the table today. So that's the market recap for me, boys. Solid week of trading, and can't wait to get after it next week. Going to stay off the charts this weekend. I suggest you do the same. There's no reason to be overanalyzing anything. Just give your mind a break and come into next week with confidence and with a fresh mind, ready to execute again. So that's the market recap for me, boys. I appreciate y'all watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.